Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to program new Tpms sensor to 2011 Chevrolet Traverse. So for this job I'm gonna be using Tpms tool and I'm gonna show you now how to program a new sensor. So you wanna go to program sensor, press OK, then I'm gonna select the vehicle here. So like I said, mine is 2011 Chevrolet Traverse, so I'm gonna select it, Chevrolet Traverse, and mine is 2011. I'm gonna press OK, and now I need to select my new sensor, and I have alligator sensitive sensor, so I'm gonna scroll to that one, press OK, and OK one more time. And now I have option here to create a new sensor, so I'm gonna place this new sensor close to antenna of the scanning tool, and now I'm gonna press OK. And to start this process I'm gonna press this button, and I'll have to wait a few seconds so that new sensor gets programmed. And there we go. It is successfully programmed, and now this sensor can be installed on the wheel. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.